Today in this video gonna to show you how to open print management. So guys, if you want to open print management, so very easy. Firstly click on start, scroll down, click on Windows system. After click on control panel, and this is select here large icon. After click on add administrative tools. After here option print management, so click it. That is. So guys, if you want to open print management, that is, so this is very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.